Oh gosh, I've been a patient for 6 or 7 years. Fertility, lack of cycles, endometriosis, hormonal imbalance, leaky gut, lots of things. So I was looking for a natural endocrinologist, and I just Googled and she popped up, and so I came and been here ever since. Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect because I was kind of new to the whole holistic treatment. I had kind of dabbled in it, so I knew that's kind of the route I wanted to go, but she was just very warm and caring, and I could tell that she truly cared about me and what was going on in my body. And so just really made me feel welcome and like I could trust her. I wanted to get pregnant, and I'd been told by several medical doctors that I could not get pregnant, that I would never get pregnant. I had polycystic ovarian syndrome, lack of cycles, again, hormonal imbalance, things like that. And I was having cysts that were rupturing on my ovaries, so very painful. And so that was the main reason, but I had a whole host of other issues going on along with that, but that was the main reason that I came. I believe one of the first things she did with me was a cleanse, a 21-day cleanse, which at the time was very intense. It's not so much now because I'm kind of used to that lifestyle, but it was a 21-day cleanse. It was hard. It was very hard. No pizza, no hamburgers, no french fries, nothing like that. So, just my body detoxing. All of the junk from just everyday life, from not living a healthy lifestyle. My body just felt, cleansed, detoxed after the 21 days. Once I got about 12, 13 days into it, I could really tell a difference. The first week or so was really difficult. I felt tired, just like, I'm not gonna make it. But once you get through that part, it's almost very energizing. So I kind of want to continue that style, that lifestyle after the cleanse. My lymph nodes got very swollen. I remember calling her saying, "Oh my gosh, I've got this knot under my, my chin, and what is going on?" And she said, that's normal. Your body's detoxing and it's coming through your lymph nodes, and so that was really the first sign that my body was expelling toxins. And then I just felt sluggish, just tired. I felt like I wasn't getting enough nutrition, which I was, but I think she upped the protein, because I think my body type just needs a lot of protein, so she upped the protein, and I felt a lot better, more energy, just felt like a light feeling, just not so sluggish, and just very ready to run a mile, ready to go. I just felt clean. My body felt clean, and I wanted to keep that feeling, I wanted to hang on to it, so I just kept eating that way, and just, little by little I would add, maybe a piece of dark chocolate here or there, but I pretty much maintained it and been eating that way ever since. So Tenesha's very good at helping you be an active part of your own healthcare. She educates you. She explains what she's doing, why she's doing it, what to expect, what to look for. She's constantly educating herself, and then in turn brings it to the clinic and then presents it to you. A lot of doctors that I've been to just kind of treat you without saying anything, and you're going to be on this, this, and this. Well, why? And what does that do? And I can't tell you how much I've learned from being Dr. Ward's patient. It's really, I've become so interested in all of the things that have gone on with my body, and learning more, and she actually helps you find the resources to help yourself as well. So she's great. The other doctors that I had gone to didn't give me as in-depth of a diagnosis. Maybe one or two things, and when I came to Dr. Wards, she did a whole host of tests, hormonal tests, food allergy tests. It was just such a broad spectrum of tests, and so it really pinpointed the different things that were going on with my body. So I feel like she just had the available resources to dig a little deeper and find out what was the root cause of what was really going on. I think Dr. Wards, she would help people. You know, she's gone to other countries. She's not just in it for herself, and this isn't just a business. She truly cares about the people that she helps. She's just been so wonderful. I thought I'd never have kids, and so I now have two beautiful little boys, and she just loves and cares about all of her patients, and she will go above and beyond to help you. She's there in the middle of the night if you need her. Yeah, I had to go to the emergency room one of the first times that I had a cyst that had ruptured on one of my ovaries, and I was able to call her, and she talked me through it, and you know, I didn't know what was going on, and she explained it to me, and you know, got me in the very next day. I didn't have an appointment, but she worked me in, and she's like that with all of her patients. She's just got a huge heart, and she won't stop until she heals you. She is the true definition of a healer. I give her all of the credit for helping me get to the point where my body was able to conceive, and you know, she has treated my children from day one, literally the moment of their birth. She was there adjusting their little spines, and they've been adjusted every month since they've been born, and I bring my children to her and for all of their health care. She's just wonderful with the kids. They love her so much, and but you know, yeah, just she is totally responsible for getting my body to the point where it could conceive a child. I have no doubt about that. No doubt. She's amazing. That's the beautiful thing about natural and alternative medicines is it can't hurt you, especially when you've got a doctor that knows what she's doing and is constantly, you know, educating herself and finding the latest and newest information out there. It won't hurt you. So if you find that it doesn't work for you, no harm done. You know, it's natural and alternative therapies don't cover up symptoms. It's digging, and you know, it may take a while. I think that's the biggest thing. People expect to come and get, you know, cured in one visit, and a lot of times your issues that you have going on, you'll never find a cure for them. It's working with them and getting your body to the point where it can heal itself and work with itself. And Dr. Wards she knows how to do that. She knows how to help your body help itself. So yeah, I think the biggest thing is don't expect to come in and it be cured in one visit, two visits. You've gotta, it's almost like going to church every Sunday. It's you know, I took my vitamins and my supplements every day, just religiously, and I can't can't lie and say that there weren't points where I wasn't frustrated and I wasn't ready to give up. Yeah, I mean, but you know, Dr. Wards was just my cheerleader. She would, you know, she understood and she listened. She didn't get offended. You know, I remember coming in and saying, "This isn't working. I've been at this for 2 years. It's not working." And you know, she just encouraged me and dug a little deeper. And shortly after that, I got pregnant. So she understands how frustrating it can be whenever you just want your body to work. And so just keep at it. Just keep at it. Keep trying it. Open yourself up.